Fully active. Welcome to Cook and Vibe, people. My name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe. Today, we're outside. Yeah, we're having a little barbecue today. It's not a big thing. Well, it is a big thing, but it's not, recipe-wise, it's not a big thing. You understand? Yeah, we're going to light up the barbecue. It's my brother's birthday. You understand? George P is flying back to Jamaica in a couple of days. So he said, you know what? Let's pour some rum, light up the barbecue, cook up some jerk chicken. You understand? Fully active, my father. You hear that? So yeah, man, just a little vibes today, people. Let's get into it. That is it, people. Little barbecue things today. That is it. See the Ray and nephew there. We've all got the pimento wood there. Chicken, seasoning, Ray. We're gonna do some rice and peas. Don't know, George P. Music there in our background. Make sure you check it out. Yeah, I'll do the old jerk chicken, all the little spices and how to make the seasoning another time. But today we're just gonna all the vibes. You know what I'm saying? It's the first little time of the year, so that is it. Yeah, thyme, scotch bonnet, scallion, onion, pimento seed. We're gonna add some jerk seasoning in there as well. A little bit of water, fully active. Yeah, that is it.
Children died days later from burns fused into...
That is it, people. We've got some pork there. Not everyone for pork, but you know what I'm saying. We've got the chicken there ready. George, I watched some mad little baby on the internet. one English baby. I don't know if anyone's seen it on the internet, but him just cast me a bad word. It'd be funny. Yeah. So yeah, man, the chicken there, seasoned, some pork, and next we're gonna soak some pimento wood in some water. Yeah, I'll put on some rice and peas. You know what I'm saying? Soon light up the barbecue, the first barbecue of the year. We're just gonna hold the vibes today, people. In here I've got some peas, obviously they call them kidney beans in the UK, scotch bonnet, some scallion. I'm about to put some little bit of thyme in, or the thyme's in there already, sorry. A little tiny bit of seasoning. Get that all nice and cooking first before we put the rice in. You know what I'm saying? That is it. Yeah, we've got some carrots, some cabbage. Gonna make a little, some mayonnaise, a little bit of salt, maybe a little bit of lemon. Make a little coleslaw, you know what I'm saying? That is it. Yeah, that is it. We're fully active, people. You hear that? I can't talk too much because of music, but you don't know. Yeah, it's active. One George P and I Pierce. Liza there, that is it. Fully active. People, yeah, some jerk pork, jerk chicken, and I mean the rice and peas there go on already. One get the president there. Yeah, got the bun on deck. That is it. But my phone's playing the music, so. Yeah, we outside every day, yeah. That is it. A good vibes at the barbecue yesterday, people. I didn't get too much footage because we was just holding the vibes. You know what I'm saying? It's the first barbecue of the year. First time it got lit up. You know what I'm saying? So good vibes. But we're going to finish off today. George P's going back to Jamaica on Wednesday. So I thought we'll cook a little food to send off. You know what I'm saying? An English breakfast. Yeah, cook up a little English breakfast. You know what I'm saying? Simple little thing. Got some franks there. Some eggs. I know the hovis there. Bacon. It's an English breakfast. You gotta have beans. Yeah, simple thing. You know how long I ain't cooked an English breakfast for? But you know what? I was thinking, he's going back to Jamaica in a couple of days, so let's do an English breakfast. We drank a lot of rum at the barbecue. What a heap of rum, so yeah, you done know some wholesome English breakfast, that is. Bacon's on already. Got our bread ready. Fry our eggs. I'm not great at frying eggs, as you've seen before. Some franks, gonna grill them. This one's looking all right still. Oi, oi. Here we go. Not bad. Not bad. I know people say, where's the this and that, where's the, but yeah, just a simple little thing, you know what I'm saying? That is it, people. Humbled. I tell you one thing. You see when a British breakfast work, George? You see when you drink all heap of rum the next day?
Yeah.
That's when it worked. See me, the Gia fly back Wednesday. So you still like to see a couple more, but we're in the studio tomorrow. You get me? We're gonna vlog that. We've got some new tunes, so look out for that. British breakfast. That is it. Yeah, quick little vibes today, people. You know what I'm saying? We're just warming up. Listen, the garden and the barbecue, everything out there is just warming. We're just like warm up. You hear me? I tell you. That is it. If you haven't subscribed already, please do the right thing. Hit that like button and get the video moving. You see me? Yeah. Listen, I think the next episode, because I think we've showed George P the most of the English food. Remember, if you go back a few episodes, we've done the whole pie and mash, and we've done the English breakfast. There's one last meal. What is it, people? Comment in the comment section below. What is the last English meal you could have, which is a proper good meal? That everyone knows is a good meal. You can't deny that's a good meal. You always have it on a Sunday. I give you a little hint. You know what I'm saying? Leave a comment in the comment section what meal you think that I'm talking about. Is it me? Also, big up section is starting again. We're gonna make a little intro for it. We're just gonna jump straight into it today. You know what I'm saying? Big up Marissa and Darren from Woodford Green. Yeah? Big up yourself, guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. Enough respect. Big up yourselves. Make sure you keep watching Cook and Vibe. You know what I'm saying? So people, if you want to get yourself a big up, all you got to do is leave a comment. It could be any comment. It could be anything. I will just randomly choose 2 people. Just one this week, but randomly choose 2 people to big up. The big up section is back. We're fully active. That is it, people. I'll see you again next time. Fully active.